Hello everyone, welcome to SCIT YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to unboxing the UNV 4MP PTZ camera IPC6424SR-X25-VF. This camera having 25x optical zoom with Lighthunter technology. To see inside, let's open the box. Inside box you get the power adapter and waterproof connector, and it's a quick guide and X wrench. This is the mounting bracket for PTZ camera. And here we get the PTZ camera. Okay, here we got the camera. Here's the lens of camera, which is 4.8 mm to 120 mm lens, and these are the camera's IR. It can cover up to 100 meters. With camera we got additional cables to integrate with the smoke detector or motion sensor, and also we can connect the mic for the audio. And other wires are we can connect the LAN cables, and this is for the power adapter. This camera has Lighthunter technology, which gives us much more brighter and clear image in low light environment. It has also WDR function. This camera having IP67 rating, vendor resistance IP10 rating. This camera does support smart intrusion prevention to avoid false alarm. We can create 32 independent users in this camera also. This camera can support two-way audio, and we can integrate this camera with the alarms integration. This camera can also be used with PoE plus switch or with the PoE injector. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. For more information, please contact us. Contact details are given below in the description.